Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibihi Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam. Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficent and merciful. No one is worthy to worship except Allah Almighty. Whatever was happened was the will of Allah Almighty and will be happened whatever Allah wants. Salat, salam, peace and blessing on our beloved Prophet, who is the ruler of Medina, life of the universe and life of the everything in the universe, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, his family, his great companions and those who love him till the day of judgment. Rabiul Awwal Mubarak is the most significant month in the Islamic history because humanity has been blessed in this month by the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. So the celebration of Miladun Nabi is to indicate the love for Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. The strength of love for Holy Prophet is connected with Muslims' faith. When his love for Holy Prophet increases, his faith is automatically increased. Imam Bukhari quoted this hadith in his authentic book Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 18. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam said, "None of you truly believes until I am more beloved to him than his father, his child and all the peoples." So now come to the topic, celebration of Miladun Nabi. This event is not celebrated by the only Muslims, also celebrated by the non-believers like the uncles of Holy Prophet Abu Lahab. Imam Bukhari writes that when Abu Lahab was died, someone from his household saw him in a dream and asked him what happened in the grave. He said, "I am being punished severely, but on Monday I took sweet cold water from my finger with which I am free my maid servant Suwaiba on the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam." So the conclusion of this hadith, this proves that a kafir Abu Lahab was happy on the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam and was rewarded by the reduce in his punishment. Then indeed Allah Almighty have mercy on the Muslim who rejoice the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. This hadith has been used by many ulama and scholars to justify the celebration of Miladun Nabi. Imam Shahabuddin Kustulani, who writes the explanation of Sahih Bukhari and the author of great Sirat book Al-Mawahibul Laduniya, he said, "May Allah have mercy on the one who turned the nights of the month of Holy Prophet's birth into the celebration." This event is celebrated by all our great Aimma and scholars from the beginning of Islam. Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Delvi, who is the great Imam of this subcontinent, shared his experience and said, "I took part in the Makkatul Mukarrama and Madinatul Munawwara, the gathering of Miladun Nabi, where Muslims sent Durood Salam on his beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam." Another personality, Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Delvi, who is the great Imam of different tribes of Muslims, write in his Fatawa Azizi, "The barakat of Miladun Nabi is due to the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam in this month. So the more Muslims will arrange mahafil and send Durood Salam on Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, the more they will be blessed by Allah Almighty." Hafiz Ibn Taymiyyah writes in his book Iqtida'us Siratil Mustaqim, "Those Muslims who celebrate the Miladun Nabi in the love and respect of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam will be rewarded by the Allah Almighty. The poet of East, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, said, Rabiul Awwal is the most sacred days for Muslims. According to my understanding, Iqbal says, according to my understanding, they are very crucial for the nourishment and treatment of human minds and hearts. There are three ways, Iqbal said, there are three ways due to which Muslims keep their emotions intact. Firstly, they send Durood Salam on his beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. The second way is Muslims should gather in a large number and celebrate the Miladun Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. The third way is that remember the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam in such a way that some aspects of Nabuwwah are should in our mind and hearts. So in the Rabiul Awwal, this question is come to very common. What is the written proof of celebration of Miladun Nabi? So after providing the proofs and evidence in this video, I would like to say that celebration of Miladun Nabi is right in the fate and faith of every Muslim who love the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Wa ma tawfiqi illa billah.